In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Instagram and your Facebook account. So this is a common procedure for both Android and Apple devices. So if you have an iPhone, not a problem. You could just follow the same steps because I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device. Now, the first thing is you get hold of your phone, and once you do that, open your Facebook or your Instagram account. It doesn't matter because both these two applications would allow you to access the same information. So the first thing is get hold of your smartphone, and you could either open Instagram or Facebook, whatever you're comfortable with. So let me go ahead and open Facebook, and once we do that, click on your profile icon out here to the top right and just click on the settings gear icon. You get directed to this page. Here you need to get complete access to your account center with Meta. So you could click on see more in account center to get complete access to your account center for Facebook and Instagram. In order for you to delink your Facebook and your Instagram account, you need to scroll right down, select accounts, and it really doesn't matter whatever you delink, whether you delink or remove your Instagram account or profile, or whether you do it for Facebook, not a problem. So here you could just select maybe Facebook. You just click on remove, get onto this page, and you could go through all the things that you're going to miss once you delink your Facebook and Instagram accounts. But considering the fact that you want to do it, click on remove account, and you're going to get a final warning, and then you click on continue, and your accounts are delinked. Done. I hope this information was useful. If you got some value, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.